Hey, it's Two Teeth Cool Hutch here, and today I'm going to be showing you a cool lighter trick that you can do with your Zippo lighter. It's actually pretty cool. So open it up, and as you can see, it's just a normal Zippo lighter. Turn the flame up so it's really high now. Close it back up. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do first, not drop it. Take your index finger and your middle finger and put them at the top left corner of the lighter, and then put your thumb at the bottom left corner of the lighter, and that works pretty good for me. Other people say put it in the right corner, but I don't know, it works. What you're going to want to do is squeeze really hard and then slide your index finger and your pointer finger down on the lighter and turn, and the cap should just come off perfectly like that. Okay, I'll show you here. Watch closely because it happens pretty fast. That's how to do a basic Zippo trick. Thank you. Please subscribe, leave comments.